Okay, last slide. I just wanted to kind of briefly go over the types of linear equations we've worked with, because pretty soon we're going to work with linear versus nonlinear. I'm just trying to get through as much as I can. Okay, so we've done slope-intercept form equations of lines. Y equals 1 half x plus 3 is a slope-intercept form. Okay, we've done standard form of a line, like 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. Okay, now we've done vertical and horizontal lines, x equals 5, y equals 2. So when you see an equation that looks like that, any of those four, you know those are linear. Now later on, I wanted to get to this today, but I think it's too much. It'd be overkill. But when you have an equation in this form right here, it's called point slope form. If you really want to kind of research that a little bit, we'll get to it more later, but if you did, it's called point slope form. Okay, the number, it's kind of like the opposite of the number you see near the x and the opposite of the number you see near the y. Okay, that 5 and that 2 is a point that goes through that line. Okay, and the number in front of the parentheses is the slope of that line. Okay, point slope form. Okay, for the next line, y minus 1 equals 3 times x minus 2. Again, the opposite, kind of like the opposite next to the x coordinate and the opposite of the number next to your y coordinate makes up the point on the line. Okay, so this line would go through point 2, 1, and it has a slope of that number in front of the parentheses, slope 3. Okay, but again, we're going to get into that, but I wanted to just throw that out there because this is basically all of the types of linear equations. And I just wanted you to at least see it and know that we're almost finishing this up. Okay, just write down what you need in your notes or copy and paste in your digital notebook, and please let me know if you have any questions at all.